A UK-based schoolboy spent an hour buried under an alpine avalanche before a miracle rescue by a search dog. The 12-year-old, who lives in London but who has not been named, defied all the odds against his survival in thick snow and ice on Boxing Day. Despite his life expectancy being put at around 15 minutes maximum, he escaped with a broken leg following the drama close to the French resort of La Plagne, which is hugely popular with British holidaymakers at this time of year. The alert was raised at 1:50 p.m. and a mountain rescue team arrived less than 30 minutes later by helicopter with Belgian Malinois Shepherd dogs. Even though he was in a group of 7 skiing on a closed black run, none of the group had any off-piste equipment, the police said. The rescue operation was carried out by gendarme Raphael Chauvin and Jetro, his Malinois dog. At 2:53 p.m. the Jetro sniffed the boy out, and Mr. Chauvin immediately started digging. Referring to Mr. Chauvin and Jetro, a gendarmerie spokesman said in a statement, "Congratulations to this pair. Finding a living person without an avalanche detector after 15 minutes in the snow is a miracle." The boy was airlifted to hospital in Grenoble where, despite a broken leg, he was said to be recovering well today. Share this article. He is from a French family who are based in London, said the source. They were enjoying the Christmas holidays in Champagne and Vanoise when the accident happened. A source involved in the rescue said the boy was swept away in the early afternoon on Wednesday. The victim was in a group of 7 skiing on a closed black run. None of them had any off-piste equipment. They triggered an avalanche that was 500 meters (1640 feet) wide and 800 meters (2624 long. It dragged the boy for 400 meters (1312 feet) before burying him. A pocket of air had formed underneath the snow. The boy was alive, unconscious. It was a miracle escape. Interior Minister Christophe Castaner tweeted his congratulations to Raphael Chauvin and his dog Jetro.